unit impulse function. Unit impulse. Your question. First of all, you have to represent unit impulse function. That will be equal to, this is the solution, del n equal to 1 at n equal to 0. Okay, and it will be equal to 0 when n is not equal to 0. Okay, so this will be a unit impulse function, and n equal to 0, and otherwise it will remain 0. So now we have to write formula of Fourier transform of DTFT. Okay, डिस्क्रीट टाइम डोमेन का हम लोगों को फॉर्मूला लिखना है. तो फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ डेल एन इज इक्वल टू फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ डेल एन इज इक्वल टू summation from minus n equal to from minus infinity to infinity del n into e to the power minus j omega n. Okay, so we have to put value of del n, that will be equal to 1 we have to put. Okay, so del n value is equal to 1. If we are putting value of del n is equal to 1, so we have to take it from n equal to, we have to take it at the n equal to 0. Okay, because unit impulse signal is equal to unit impulse signal is equal to, is equal to 1 at n equal to 0. So we are representing it here like this. So e to the power minus j omega n. Please wait. I have written omega j omega n. Okay. J omega n. Okay. So now here we have to put value of n equal to 0. So e to the power 0, that will be equal to 1. So it is very easy to find out the DTFT of unit impulse function, and it is equal to 1. Okay, unit impulse function का Laplace transform ले लो, Fourier transform ले लो, or all these things will come only 1 over here. Now find DTFT of unit step signal. Now we are taking next example. So we will take next example, that is find DTFT of unit step signal. DTFT of unit step signal. Now see, first of all you have to represent this unit step signal. Okay, so x of n is equal to u of n is equal to 1. Okay, from 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity it is equal to 1, and it is equal to 0 otherwise. It is equal to 0 otherwise. So this is your otherwise. This is your unit step signal. Okay. Now you have to find out Fourier transform of this unit step signal. So we have to write a formula. First of all, you have to write a formula. What is that formula? X of omega is equal to n equal to minus infinity to infinity, minus infinity to infinity, x of n e to the power minus j omega n. So this is your formula to find out the DTFT. Okay, कंटिन्यूस टाइम का फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म फाइंड आउट करने का फॉर्मूला अलग है, एंड दिस इज अ डिफरेंट फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड आउट द dt of t. Now we have to put value of x of n is equal to 1 from 0 to infinity. Okay. Now we are putting n equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus jn, okay, or minus j omega n. Now we have to put value in this value of n. We have to put value of n. So we are starting from e to the power 0 plus e to the power 1 अगर put करेंगे, so minus j omega, you will get this minus j omega. So this will be your equation number 1. Okay, this is a Fourier transform formula जो है वो equation number 1 है. Now we are putting value of n equal to 0 to infinity. Okay, so up to this e to the power minus 2j omega. Okay, so up to infinity we are to, it will come up to infinity. Okay, now what we are going to do, this is x of omega. This is x of omega. Now we are going to multiply this by e to the power minus j omega. Okay, so this is your equation number 2, and now to this equation number 2 we are going to multiply it x of omega into e to the power minus j omega is equal to e to the power, this is will be equal to 1, so e to the power minus j omega plus e to the power minus 2j omega plus it is like equal to infinity. Okay, so now this will be equation number 3. Okay, this will become equation number 3. After getting this equation number 3, we have to minus this equation number 3 from equation number 2. Okay, so equation number 2 minus equation number 2 minus equation number 3. So here we will get x of omega minus e to the power minus j omega x of omega is equal to e to the power 0 minus, that will be 1, and you will get here only 1. Okay, because this is all will get minus here, so all values will get cut, this will cut, this will cut, all these values will get cut. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, माइनस 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 आ जाएगा, तो ये माइनस और प्लस ये वैल्यू कट हो जाएगा, और e टू द पावर 0 जो है उसका 1 बन जाएगा यहाँ पे. So we are going to take this x of omega common from this left hand side, and x of omega 1 minus e to the power minus j omega is equal to 1. Then x of omega is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e to the power minus j omega. This will be your answer. Okay, so this will be your answer of unit step signal. So getting student, got it? Mihir, are you there? Yes, student, you are getting this? Yes, Krishna, you are getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, after this example, we are going to solve another example, that is find dt of t of function x of n is equal to a to the power n u of n. Question is find dt of t of function x of n of n. Okay, so we have to write first of all formula. X of m, x of omega is equal to summation from minus infinity to plus infinity x of n e to the power minus j omega n. So this will be your formula. Okay, so in this formula you have to put value of an का वैल्यू पुट करना है यहाँ पे and you will get it is from C. This is a u of n is given. So this signal is from 0 to infinity. So we are taking value of n equal to 0 to infinity a to the power n e to the power minus j omega n. Now we have to take this a into we have to put value of n from 0 to infinity. Okay, we have to put value of this n from 0 to infinity. It will be equal to a to the power 0 and a to the power 0. Then plus a to the power 1 e to the power minus j omega plus e to the power a to the power 2 e to the power minus j omega 2. So this will it will come up to like a infinite. It will go up to infinite. Okay. Now what we have to do? This will be your x of omega. Okay, this is your x of omega. Now we are going to multiply, or we will write this again. This will be your equation. This will be your equation 1, and we will write this again 1 plus a to the power e to the power minus j omega plus a to the power 2 e to the power minus 2 j omega. So like this it will come up to infinity, and this will be your equation number 2. So likewise previous example only you have to solve this. Okay, likewise previous example. तो x of omega का equation लिखा है हम लोगों ने, that will become equation number 2. Now we have to multiply this x of omega with e to the power minus j omega n. Okay, minus j omega, and we are putting value of n. Now x of omega e to the power minus j omega e to the power minus j omega equal to e to the power minus j omega plus e to the power a into e to the power, we have to multiply it with a into e to the power minus j omega. So it will become a to the power 2 e to the power minus 2 j omega plus a to the power 3 e to the power minus 3 j omega. So this equation will become like this, and we are going to give number of this equation is equal to 3. Okay, number of this equation is equal to 3. Now we are going to do this 2 minus 3, and we will get x of omega minus x of omega into e to the power minus j omega. Okay, is equal to 1, because ये इक्वेशन नंबर 2 से हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, इक्वेशन नंबर 3 माइनस कर रहे हैं, तो इट विल बिकम माइनस, इट विल बिकम माइनस, इट विल बिकम माइनस. So this will get cut, this will also get cut, or all the values will get cut, and only one will remain here. Okay, only one will remain here. So we are going to take this x of omega common, and 1 minus e to the power minus j omega will be there. Okay, so minus j omega will be there, that will be equal to 1. And we can write is x of omega is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e to the power minus j. So this will be your answer for dt of t of a to the power n u of n. Okay.